Hello, my fellow wonderful creative minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things inspiring and innovative. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of creativity and discuss some activities that can help prime our brains for those magical moments of creative thinking. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's get started. First up we have meditation. Picture this. You find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and let your mind wander freely. It may seem counterintuitive, but meditation is actually one of the best ways to stimulate your creativity. By allowing your mind to relax and be present in the moment, you create space for new ideas to surface. During meditation, you clear your mind of clutter and invite in fresh perspectives. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to think outside the box. Next on our creativity-stimulating journey is yoga. Now, I know yoga is often associated with physical health, but did you know it can also boost your creative juices? Yoga not only provides a great workout but also connects your mind and body. It promotes focus, mindfulness, and a sense of balance within yourself. These elements are essential for unlocking your creative potential. The next activity on our list is reading fiction. What's better than losing yourself in a captivating story or getting lost in a fictional world? Did you know that reading fiction has been shown to enhance creativity? When you immerse yourself in a story, you stimulate your imagination and develop empathy for different characters and situations. This fuels your ability to think creatively and come up with unique ideas. So, make sure to carve out some time in your day to indulge in a good book. Last but definitely not least, inspiring peers. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. Your immediate environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset and creative thinking. Whether it's artists, entrepreneurs, or fellow creators, spending time with inspiring people can spark new ideas and foster collaboration. Their success stories and unique perspectives can serve as a source of motivation, pushing you to think bigger and bolder. Take some time each day to meditate, practice yoga for mindfulness and balance, indulge in the magic of fiction, and surround yourself with inspiring people. These simple actions will help you unlock your creative potential and set your imagination free. Well, there you have it, my fellow creative souls. A handful of activities that can prime your brain for creative thinking. Remember, creativity isn't just a special gift reserved for a few lucky individuals. It's a skill that can be nurtured and cultivated. Thank you all so much for joining me today on this creative adventure. As always, remember to stay curious, keep exploring, and let your creativity soar. Wishing you a wonderfully creative journey ahead. Until next time, stay inspired. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful.